Life changes the moment a child enters your world, and so do the responsibilities that follow. Many parents don't realize how financially vulnerable their families are until something unexpected happens. That is why understanding life insurance becomes more than a choice, it becomes a safeguard. Across this, families juggle rising costs of childcare, education, housing, and healthcare. These pressures make financial planning more important than ever. Life insurance quietly steps in where savings alone cannot. Most parents believe they have enough time to figure things out later. But the truth is that the risks never wait for the perfect moment. Protecting your family means preparing long before emergencies show up. I remember a friend from Ohio who once said he would buy coverage after the holidays. 3 months later, he faced a sudden medical diagnosis that made life insurance twice as expensive. Moments like these reveal how quickly life can shift. When you have children, you're no longer planning for yourself, you are planning for their future. Everything from daycare bills to college tuition depends on your ability to provide. Life insurance ensures that ability doesn't disappear too soon. Think for a moment about the essential expenses in your household. Your income keeps the mortgage paid, the fridge full, and the lights on. Without that income, most American families would struggle within weeks. Life insurance replaces that income when your family needs it most. It acts as a financial cushion strong enough to carry your children through the hardest transition of their lives. That is why experts often call it a love letter written in financial form. For many families, term life insurance is the most practical starting point. It offers high coverage at an affordable rate, especially for parents in their 20s, 30 segundos, or early 40s. Term policies match the years your kids are financially dependent. Some parents prefer whole life insurance because it builds cash value over time. This option becomes a financial asset that grows as your children grow. It can even help cover future expenses, like college or emergencies. Choosing the right amount of coverage is often confusing for new parents. A common rule is to secure 10 to 15 times your annual income. This gives your children enough financial protection for education, housing, and daily living. Another important factor is debt. Mortgages, car loans, and credit cards don't disappear when you're gone. A well-designed policy ensures your family is not forced to sell their home or downgrade their lifestyle. I once met a single mother from Florida who purchased only a small policy through her job. She assumed it was enough until she calculated her monthly obligations. She realized that employer coverage would barely cover funeral costs, let alone long-term care for her children. This is why relying solely on employer life insurance is risky. Coverage often ends when you change jobs or get laid off. Families need a personal policy that stays with them no matter where life takes them. Parents should also consider who will manage the money if their children are minors. Setting up a guardian or trust ensures the benefits are used wisely. Planning these details prevents legal complications during an already painful time. For families with newborns, buying life insurance early is especially valuable. Younger parents get lower rates and better health classifications. Locking in coverage early saves thousands over the policy lifetime. Blended families should approach insurance even more carefully. Multiple households, stepchildren, and shared responsibilities require precise planning. Life insurance helps create fairness and clarity during uncertain moments. Families with special needs children often need lifelong protection. In these cases, permanent life insurance combined with a special needs trust becomes essential. It ensures future care without jeopardizing government benefits. Many American families underestimate funeral and final expenses. These costs can easily exceed $10,000. Life insurance relieves your loved ones of that burden while they grieve. Some parents use life insurance to secure their children's future opportunities. The death benefit can help fund college degrees, trade school tuition, or first home down payments. The policy becomes a legacy that supports generational growth. Life insurance is also a tool for protecting stay-at-home parents. Even without a paycheck, their daily contributions have significant financial value. Coverage ensures childcare and household support remain intact. Parents with large families often need layered coverage. Multiple term policies can align with each child's age and future milestones. This approach creates a responsive and flexible plan. Life insurance also protects entrepreneurial parents. When a business depends on one person, the family must be shielded from financial collapse. Policies can cover business debts and provide income for surviving children. Some families worry about affording coverage. However, term policies are often cheaper than a weekly takeout meal. Small premiums today prevent enormous hardships tomorrow. It is important to review policies regularly. As your children grow, your financial responsibilities evolve. Updating your coverage keeps your protection relevant and strong. Children's life insurance is sometimes misunderstood. It's not about expecting the worst, it's about locking in low lifetime premiums. It also helps cover unexpected medical or funeral costs. Real families across the country have avoided financial disaster because they planned early. Their stories share a common theme. Preparation brings peace. Life insurance gives parents that peace every day. When choosing a policy, work with reputable companies and licensed advisors. They help you compare rates, riders, and benefits clearly. A well-informed decision leads to long-term security. Applying for coverage has become easier in the digital era. Many insurers offer quick online applications and simplified underwriting. Parents can secure protection without leaving the house. In the end, life insurance is a promise that your children will be safe even when you cannot be there. It's one of the most meaningful decisions a parent can make. Families thrive when they feel secure. Life insurance provides that security with reliability and compassion. Your children deserve a future protected by your planning today.